All right, here's how we're going to make a frame. You will have had to have gridded your portrait into 8, which I lettered A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, by 10, which I numbered. So as I showed you the other day, you can say I'm at C3 or D4, but use that grid to figure out where you are. You're going to get 2 pieces of blue paper, and once you get these 2 pieces of blue paper, you are going to tear them in half, and you are going to create a frame around one of your areas. So to do this, I lay this flush along the line, get some tape, and lay your next piece along the line next to it. Tape that on, repeat that process 2 more times. And now you have a frame to narrow in where exactly you're working. Now the one last thing I would do with this frame is give yourself some measurement crosshairs on it, halfway, so you know where halfway through each individual box is. You can also, if you want to, make quarter marks. Those are going to help you transfer each individual box onto your big drawing.